Hello Capricorn, Sun, Moon and Rising, and welcome to this week's readings with me. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. So let's get started to see what are the general readings for the Capricorn Sun, Moon and Rising. And how does this week begin? It starts with a very spontaneous energy, my dear Capricorns. If you have a creative project in your head, it is the time to manifest this into reality, my dear Capricorn. Whatever is coming out of your spontaneity, whatever is coming out of the out of the box kind of thinking of you can do wonders at this time. So whatever ideas are coming to you, write them down. Whatever the project you're thinking about, a creative project more so ever, I would like to say, that can yield very, very good results. My dear Capricorns, if you are trying to start something of a creative kind or undertake a creative activity, a hobby that you have, and you want to polish it to make it something, then this is the time. The beginning of the week is favoring this is an energy that favors it. All right, you'll be very good at your communication skills, are going to be very, very good. Your communication is going to be good. So time to negotiate also with your higher ups, or with within an interpersonal relationship, how you want to discuss with people, what you want from them. Now you can be more expressive and creatively expressive while expressing your feelings also. This is what I see, my dear Capricorns, for you at the beginning of the week. For student Capricorns, be creative, do things in a creative way. For example, if you want to do, you want to learn, rather you want to memorize a particular theory or things like that, then find creative ways to do it. All right, my dear Capricorn students, and do things creatively, because that becomes more fun, and in that way you can also retain all the information. So change your approach towards studies and make it more fun rather than a drag. All right, my dear. So then we go to the midweek. And in the midweek, as you can see, your wisdom is going to be called upon. In a particular situation, you will have to be wise. No point in being reactive. So you will have to control your reactivity and use your wisdom, your experience at this point of time. And I also see that there is a very big protection upon you midweek. This is what I'm seeing. Like if there are some kind of challenges that arise, things are going to be very easy for you to tackle them, because you're going to be protected. You will have a divine shield over you, as if you will feel that I'm divinely protected in the midweek. This is what I'm seeing. And this particular energy of the midweek is going to liberate you from any kind of jealousy of people, or anything that is bad that is been thrown on your path. All these things you will be liberated of, so you don't have to worry. Moreover, some kind of beneficial changes, progressive changes are going to happen in your life midweek. There will be some opportunities to you that will fall into your lap, and that will be an advantage for you. Out of nowhere, maybe something comes up, or someone just communicates, hey, this is interesting, and I thought of you when this offer came, or for this particular situation, I thought of you. And for you, you will be the best person to tackle a particular situation midweek, and you are going to do it with lot of wisdom. This is what I'm seeing, my dear Capricorn. And come the end of the week, expect the unexpected, but in a good way, I would say, because I am seeing that there is this energy of surprises, of pleasant surprises. I would almost see this energy is more a luck energy. This is what I see for Capricorns at the end of the week. You might also have surprise visitors, or you might give a surprise visit to somebody. You might get a surprise phone call also, but now it's not a surprise because I'm telling this to you. So you can have this kind of like the wow moment, like like, oh, okay, fine, I didn't know you were coming, this kind of things. So but it is a pleasant surprise, like, oh, you are here, I was not expecting you. Not a bad surprise, but wow, you are here, I'm so happy. What a pleasant surprise, right? Because yeah, I mean, sometimes we have guests of two kinds, and I like, I wish you didn't come, I would have missed you so much. Or oh, I was missing you and it's good you came. So this is this part, this latter that you have to take, like, I was missing you and good you came. So this kind of energy is seen at the end of the week. And there's going to be a lot of like social interaction at the end of the week also. I'm seeing there can be meetings with some people that you have not seen since long, or there can also be meetings, professionally speaking also, where you can make new friends also. Some foreign connections are also seen at the end of the week for some Capricorns. This is what I'm seeing over here. So all in all, my dear Capricorns, I'm seeing that this energy of this week is quite good. And the sentence that can come for you all is, you can do it. You can do it. And it's like, is she kind of twisting the Nike ad, like, just do it. No, no, no. You can do it. Yes. Yes, we can. All right. You see, one thing gives a rise to another, so it becomes a domino. This is the beauty of words. You just change their placements and everything changes, just like in the birth chart also. The planets change, that the placements are changed of the planets, and everything becomes either a ruckus or something really wonderful, right? So yeah, so coming back to this phrase for you, it means that you're really qualified, you are experienced now to take steps in life towards a particular situation that you have been tackling since long. You have all the abilities, all the capacities have been given to you by God, by the divine, by the universe. All these forces are joining together to give you that force to bring into reality what you have on your mind, and make sure that what you have on your mind is on the right path, that it is not going to harm anyone, that it is going to be the right path, that you feel satisfied inside of you. Yeah, so at that time things are going to work out well for you. So if you feel you have been stuck in a particular situation, that know that there will be some tools, some people, some signs that will be sent on your path in order to remove those roadblocks, in order to put that confidence that most probably you were lacking, and that because of that you were not really sure if you can or if you will be able to achieve that particular goal or not. But here your dreams can be fulfilled because you have all it takes to achieve those dreams, those goals that you have been working on, my dear Capricorns. And for Capricorns, I really feel that sometimes they're, inside of them, they might feel like giving up. Even if they don't show it outwardly, sometimes they feel tired of a situation, and then they just feel like, I just feel like giving it up. But then, my dear Capricorn, over here I would like to tell you is that now start trusting in yourself, because you are being given the ability, the capacity to fulfill whatever it is on your mind. Okay, the universe is sending you this message. No more procrastination now. Start working, start taking baby steps towards your goals. If there are a lot of big things in front of you, put them into small steps, and break your big goals into smaller goals. Like each serves as a step, and then you go step by step. And this is the typical Capricorn way to achieve things. They go step by step, and then they reach to the mountain tops, as I have said in my Capricorn video. This is what I'm telling you again, that you have the capacity, my dear Capricorns. If things are appearing to be a bit difficult, whatever the situation is at hand today, you have the ability to go through it with your wisdom, with the experience, with what you have inside of you, with what you have collected over the road of your life, over this journey of your life, that you will be able to achieve it. So you have to Believe in yourself at this point of time. And yes, keep your goals realistic. This is what I would like to say, because sometimes, it can be misinterpreted as like something really like I don't know, I cannot even give an example, like something which is out of logical parameters, and then it can become a bit difficult. Okay, but still things are attainable. Like keep your goals realistic, keep your goals sticking to the reality of life today, and break them into small little bits of pieces. If you're struggling with a particular problem, you have the ability to get out of this problem, you have the resources. Just be your best friend at this point of time. Just support yourself. You know what is our mistake, my dear Capricorns, is that what we do many a times is that we always rely on others for support, but actually we forget that we are our own support system. We are our own best friends. How did we come? We came alone. How do we have to go? We have to go alone. So, okay, we have people on our path to help us, but we can't rely all the times on people, right? So we have to now start relying on our internal support system. And for that, in order to make it stronger, we have to get into our meditation, because this is where we know what are the resources inside of us and how they can make us stronger and stronger. Because the moment we attain something through meditation, this is my own personal experience that I'm saying, is that when we attain something very deep through our meditation, then we don't need the external support. Then we become our internal support. Then you become the support of everyone. I would like to say, tell you this, all right? So, my dear Capricorns, know that you can do it, and know that you have the divine protection, as this energy is also telling me. But I would like to tell you is that always rely on your internal support system, because it is very strong and you haven't realized. And many of you must be meditating and in the depth of your connection with the divine, and you might understand, you must be understanding what I'm trying to say over here to you. And those of you who are still not feeling that connected, the only thing is that 10 minutes of silence every day with yourself. Have a date with yourself, I would like to tell you. When was the last date with yourself? Do that, my dear Capricorn. You can do it, okay? So thank you very much for listening. Please do like, share, and comment. And I shall see you next week. Until then, take good care of yourself. Bye-bye. God bless. Bye.